Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use AssistiveTouch on iPhone 15 Pro. To enable this feature, open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down to Accessibility and open this menu. Navigate down to Physical and Motor category and open Touch menu. Then go to AssistiveTouch. To enable it, switch this toggle to the right. This will make this circle appear on your screen. Once you tap on it, you will see different shortcuts you can use with it, and if you want to customize them, tap Customize top level menu and select which shortcuts you want to change by tapping on a shortcut and selecting a different one. Tap OK to apply changes, and besides, you can also adjust some custom actions, custom gestures, pointer devices, tracking sensitivity, and other settings for your AssistiveTouch. To disable it, switch this toggle to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.